Welcome to Valkyrie Simple Finance. Understanding before investing. Most financial stress doesn't come from big disasters. It comes from small surprises you weren't prepared for. When money is tight, every unexpected expense becomes a crisis. Not because it's large, but because there's no buffer. An emergency fund is simple. It's money set aside for problems you didn't plan for. Not holidays, not shopping, just emergencies. Emergencies are things like job loss, medical bills, urgent repairs. They're predictable in type, just not in timing. Without an emergency fund, people turn to credit cards, loans, or selling investments at the worst time. That's how short-term problems cause long-term damage. You don't need a perfect number. A good rule is 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Start small, build gradually. Emergency money should be easy to access and boring, not invested, not locked away, just available when you need it. The biggest mistake is trying to invest before you're protected. Growth means nothing if one bad month forces you backwards. Two people face the same unexpected bill. One panics, the other pays it calmly and moves on. The difference isn't income, it's preparation. Here's the rule. Emergency funds buy time, and time buys better decisions. Budgeting creates awareness. Emergency funds create safety. Once you're safe, you can deal with debt properly. That's what we cover next. Emergencies aren't rare. They're part of life. An emergency fund turns panic into inconvenience. In the next video, we'll explain debt, good debt, bad debt, and dangerous debt.